What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech, and today we're going to take a look at some alligator grain genuine leather cowhide bands from a company called Barton. If you don't know about Barton, they make some really high quality bands for your smart or dumb watch. Really just depends on what you're wearing, and I've been a big fan of them ever since I started wearing their canvas bands. I'm a huge fan of canvas, but now I'm going to check out their alligator grain leather bands. So let's go ahead and check out these bands together and see what they're all about. These bands will run you about 30 bucks. Check my link down below where you can check the latest pricing. And they come in a variety of different sizes. So whether you have a smartwatch, whether you have a dumb watch, whether you have a luxury watch, pretty much any watch that's on your wrist, you'll be able to fit these bands with them. So looking at the alligator grain, it's a very nice style. If you like this type of design, I think you're going to be very happy with this. The stitching on the watch is excellent. On the back of the watch is where you have your stamps of approval. So you have the stamp saying that it's top grain leather, and of course 22mm is the one that I have. You have a little company branding right there. And the clasp here is made from really high quality stainless steel. Everything about these bands is just premium, really a high quality band, and I can't stress that enough. Whether you choose this alligator grain, or whether you choose a canvas, or whether you choose their silicone bands, these bands are just really high quality. Maybe you want to change the look of your smartwatch to make it look a little bit more luxury, guys. This will help you do that. Now the next one we're going to take a look at is another classic. This is their Toffee Edition. I like to call this brown myself. But if you look at it, you have that same high quality stitching on the band. A very nice quality stitching here. And of course this alligator green looks super cool. Really premium looking styling here, guys. And of course with all of these you have that stainless steel clasp that's super nice. High quality as well. No issues with this quality band at all. And the back of the bands feel really soft. They feel really nice, guys. And just take a look at that stitching on the back as well. I'm pretty confident that these bands will last you a very long time. Just take a look at that on the Galaxy Watch. This is what it looks like on the wrist. And if you want to know what these watch faces are, just take a look at my description. I usually leave all the links down below. But this is the coffee version. The next one we're going to look at, guys, is something that I'm really digging. This is the Crimson Red Edition. I think it looks really cool, and if you want to stand out from the crowd, if you want to be a little bit different, if you want to be a little bit flashy, this is the color to get. This is the Crimson Edition, and again, all these bands are super high quality with the soft finish on the back, the quality stitching, and then that alligator grain on the top. It all just depends on what type of color you want. And let's just show you what it looks like on the wrist. I'm really digging this crimson personally. I think this looks great, especially on this Galaxy Watch with the black, silver, and now the red. Super cool. And now finally we have the Toffee Edition. This is something that also will add a little bit of color to your life, a little bit of color to your watch. This is what it looks like on the wrist if you like this Toffee Edition. And I think the Toffee looks pretty good if you want to add more color to your wrist, to your watch. So whether you want to stay traditional with the black and coffee, aka brown bands, or you want to get a little more color, a little flair in your life with the toffee and crimson, you're not going to be disappointed with these bands. This will just help make your smartwatch blend in with your suit a little bit better, make your smartwatch look a little bit more traditional with a high quality, elegant styling band. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments below. Which are your favorite colors? I really like the Crimson Edition myself, I'm not gonna lie, but the black one will be better for the everyday office type of watch band. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.